Hello everyone. So finally the notes I have been waiting for so long has arrived, and here are the eGurukul 2.0 colorful notes, and this is the first delivery. The second will be soon. So I have already opened a bit of it for your saving time. So here we go. We have two beautiful highlighters and these little sticky notes. These will come in handy. Next we have all these notes. So these are all the notes I have received in the slot 1. I hope the slot 2 will arrive soon. I'm very excited for these notes, and just by seeing you can see it is very colorful. These are beautiful, and let's pick up a random. So this is ENT 2.0 notes. The first feature which I liked very much is you can see the index here. We have all the index and the page number corresponding to it. So it will be very easy to search these topics, and you can see all of these are hand-drawn diagrams, and don't you think it will be very wonderful, and it will help you in your university exams too. Now all these notes will cover your 95% of the lectures, and in many topics like say FMT, we pick forensic medicine, and you can see the lot of beautiful tables and real diagrams, and the lot of questions. So you can see how beautifully these notes have been written. Now let's say we pick radiology, and you can see the real life images, the x-rays and the CT scans, the MRIs. Now what I like the most is these notes are very concise, and you have these active spaces below every page, so it will help in your extra information you can write down. And yes, this one you can see all the diagrams are all in the one place. It will help you in quickly recalling every information you have studied in the theory just with the quick diagrams. And the most striking feature of eGurukul 2.0 notes are right here. You can see you have these instruments for ear. You have all these instruments you use in the department. You have these images of all the instruments and of all the important pathologies. So I think this eGurukul 2.0 notes has been specifically designed to cater to your needs for the next exam. Let's pick up say psychiatry, and you can see how concise this is. And again you have all these highlighted text and the colors, different colors, different highlights. So this is what this eGurukul 2.0 notes is all about. So I'm very excited, and I'm definitely looking forward to make maximum use of these notes, and I'm hoping you will too. So you can find the link in the description, and you can buy your notes, and it will reach at your doorsteps very soon. So keep studying, keep learning, and stay safe. Thank you very much.